Every once in a while, something extraordinary drifts into our solar system. A visitor from the unknown. It doesn't orbit our sun. It doesn't belong to our planets. And it certainly doesn't play by our rules. In 2024, astronomers spotted a glowing traveler, racing through space at unimaginable speed. They named it Interstellar Comet 3 I/Atlas, a cosmic messenger from another star system. This is the story of how it was discovered, what makes it so mysterious, and why scientists believe it could change how we see the universe itself. What exactly is an interstellar comet? Let's start simple. Most comets we know, like Halley's Comet or Comet Neowise, were born here, inside our solar system. They orbit the sun every few hundred years, melting and glowing as they come close, leaving behind trails of dust and ice. But an interstellar comet is something else entirely. It doesn't belong to the sun. It doesn't orbit anything here. It comes from far, far away, from another solar system, possibly hundreds of light years away. And it's just passing through. In scientific terms, 3I means it's the third interstellar object ever recorded after Oumuamua and Comet 2I/Borisov. These objects are like cosmic time capsules, carrying clues from other worlds. The discovery that shocked astronomers. 3I/Atlas was first spotted by the Pan-STARRS Observatory in Hawaii, a system built to detect near-Earth objects. At first, it looked like a normal comet, but when researchers analyzed its trajectory, they realized something impossible. It was moving too fast, over 60,000 miles per hour, way too fast to be captured by the sun's gravity. That meant only one thing. This object was not from around here. It came from interstellar space, entered our solar system, looped near the sun, and was now on its way out, never to return. But that wasn't the only surprise. Its brightness changed unpredictably, as if it was breaking apart, or reacting to sunlight in a way we'd never seen before. What makes 3I/Atlas so mysterious? Unlike previous comets, 3I/Atlas seemed unstable from the moment it was detected. Its core may have started disintegrating before it even got close to the sun. Some scientists believe this was just a fragile ball of ice and dust, an ancient fragment torn apart by cosmic radiation. Others wondered if it carried rare chemical compounds, materials that could reveal how other star systems form planets. And then came the theories. Could it be artificial? Could it have been debris from a distant civilization? No evidence supports that, but the idea caught the imagination of millions. Because when something comes from another star, anything feels possible. Why these visitors matter? You might wonder, why care about a rock flying by millions of miles away? Because every interstellar object is like a sample from another world. Our probes haven't yet reached another solar system, but these comets bring pieces of them to us. By studying the dust, gases, and isotopes inside 3I/Atlas, scientists can compare it with material found in our own solar system. That tells us whether other planetary systems formed the same way ours did, or if the universe cooks up worlds differently elsewhere. It's the closest thing to interstellar archaeology we have. The race to study it. When astronomers confirmed 3I/Atlas was interstellar, telescopes around the world turned their gaze toward it. But time was running out. It was moving fast and fading. Observatories from Chile to Hawaii scrambled to collect data before it vanished forever. NASA scientists used spectrographs to study its chemical fingerprint. And though it began to disintegrate, every second of observation gave us new knowledge about icy bodies that formed in alien star systems billions of years ago. A glimpse of the infinite. 3I/Atlas didn't stay long. It flashed by, left us with questions, and disappeared back into the darkness. But it reminded us that our solar system isn't isolated. We're part of a vast, dynamic galaxy filled with travelers, messengers from other suns. Someday, maybe we'll send a probe fast enough to chase one. Until then, we'll keep watching the stars, waiting for the next visitor. Because out there, beyond the light of our sun, the universe is full of stories still waiting to be told. Outro music fades in. Thanks for watching Infinity Info Universe. If you love exploring space mysteries, hit subscribe and tell us, would you chase a comet from another star, rocket sparkles,